today we are celebrating a very special milestone. My work husband, Manuel, who has been my partner in Brainbeam for maybe 25 years. Before even I started Brainbeam, magkatrabaho na kami. He's turning 60 today. Kaya sobrang big deal for the entire team Brainbeam na i-celebrate siya, ipag-party siya. Today, i-showcase namin ang gandang Manuel Lee. Marami nagsasabi kamukha niyo si Ricky Reyes. Actually, totoo. Ana is really the one assigned na kasama siya. Silang dalawa kunwari mag-o-ocular. Wala siyang idea na the entire Brainbeam team is here together with our suppliers, our friends, his friends, and of course, members of his family. So we are very excited to see his reaction. Medyo ina-expect na niya na may something kami. So let's see kung anong pasabog na reaction niya later. So, ito na po ang mga pagod na Brainbeam.
So, nandito kami, gumagawa po kami ng script para sa ating event of the year. Tinalo niya pa si Shena Spyro. My God!
Sir, dagdag sahod to Ngayon pa lang, sir, kino-congratulate na kita.
At dahil umabot ka ng 60!
Galing pa akong Pampanga para sa'yo, ha? Gising ako ng alas 5 para sa'yo.
Panunong ba? Panunong.
Magpapa-reimburse ako sa'yo after. ML lang. Happy birthday, sir.
Hi sir, advance happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sir, good health. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, sir. Mahal ka namin kung alam mo lang. Ang alam kasi ni sir, nagsisiraan ng lahat.
So, excited na kaming lahat nang matapos na to.
Nang maalis to sa listahan.
Matapos ng kalokohang ito, the biggest event of the decade.
Is it your birthday, girl? Cause you looking like a
Buti
present.
pa yung friends marunong sa yellow! Shock sa mga maririnig nyo today.
Woo! It's on me, ladies. Gon' get it if you want it. It's free, ladies. Feel good when you're rolling with me.
Mukha kang hindi 60 actually.
Mukha kang 60.
Mukha ka lang 59. Happy birthday, Manuel. God bless always and more projects to come.
Ayaw mo
Happy birthday, sir! Huwag niyong isiping 60 years old ka na. Isipin mo lang 18 years old ka with 42 years of experience in life.
Ay, ito ang hindi tama naman yan. Ito ang sister ni Manuel at ang mga pamangkin.
Thank you, Ma'am May. Love you.
Of course. Tingnan natin kung masya-shock ba yung kapatid mo.
Hello, Lee! Friends! Surprise!
Surprise, surprise! To be honest ganito ka ka-special sa akin dahil sa'yo, I supposed to fly today, I cancel it. Kasi sabi ni Emily, birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Ayan na, senior ka na. Welcome to senior club!
Sana lagi tayong magkakasama pa rin sa Lakwatsa.
Ako ngayon ang bida.
Ikaw ang bida.
Yeah, ikaw ngayon ang nakaupo sa trono.
Happy birthday to you!
Love you, love you.
Sir M, happy birthday to you. Good health to you and stay healthy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir! Good health and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Wala ko ibang sasabihin sa'yo for thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng mga support mo para sa mga bata. At forever, I love you, Kuya. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Papa Bong. Happy birthday po. Thank you po for all the blessings and sacrifices na ginawa niyo po para po sa amin and para sa akin. Please know po that you'll always be loved by us and especially by me. Happy birthday, Papa Bong. I love you.
Hindi nag-a-absent si Joji. Hindi ka sumasagot.
Dinatay ko tumawag siya.
Hindi, pag tumawag, sabi mo,
Ay, alam niya may collection ngayon.
o sabihin mo yun na, susuka ako sa inyo! Natatense kami kasi nagtatanong-tanong na siya nasan daw si Joji. But he's like 15 minutes away, so we're kinda like agitated. Sabihin mo, magtago mo na muna siya. Yung ilaw.
See?
Bakit?
Mang Jerry?
Is it your birthday, girl? Cause you looking like a present. Is it your birthday, girl? Let's celebrate it. Is it your birthday, girl? Make a wish 11. Is it your birthday, girl? Let's celebrate it. Clap, 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 do it with no hands. Brand new wig, better.
Ayan. Na-surprise ka ba?
Sobrang hindi.
Actually, naiinis siya kasi dyan yung classmates niya. Sabi niya, "Jay, classmates ko? Wala silang alam tungkol sa akin ngayon, pues."
Change your plans when we get together. We don't got no man. We don't want no man. We don't need no man. Hey, we gon' block these like God.
Nakakatawa lakas mga game show. Iba talaga ang brain beam.
We ain't stalking nobody on a fake page. Better make waves.
Chance mo na to para magbigay ng mensahe. Dahil dyan maraming salamat.
Hindi pa tapos.
Ay, di ba ba?
Matagal na nating pagsasama.
Wow, magkasama ba?
Thank you sa pagiging generous all the time.
May tanong.
Happy birthday, Sir M. Wish ko, of course, good health, happiness, and more blessings pa. And may you continue to be a blessing to others.
I started from the bottom with my
Parang ang daming bayaran nito.
love y'all so much. Don't mean to get emotional. You know me and Patron when you've been through the
Mali.
Ay,
Mali kayo lahat. Okay, walang nanalo.
ladies and gentlemen, dito po natin masasabing cancel ang laro.
Yes!
pose. You gotta do the most. So take it to the head and touch your toes. Yeah.
Dali, bakit yun naman nasabing Echos? Ikaw, madam?
I know Lee is for me.
Sorry, English lang. Madam, mali ka lang tinanong. Wala pa kasi akong visa dyan. Dito mo tayo sa mga classic. Bakit nyo po nasabing Echos ang kasagutan, madam? Ay, ko na lang, be. Ayaw nila.
Is it your birthday, girl? 'Cause you looking like a present. Is it your birthday, girl? Let's celebrate it.
Eto na, siya sasagot. Nagka-girlfriend ka ba? Yes or no? Girlfriend. Yes, nagka-girlfriend si Noel.
Ay!
Is it your birthday, girl? Make a wish 11:11. Is it your birthday, girl? Let's celebrate it.
Unang mo, kuya, dito yung angulo ko kasi ang masasayt yung mga burogan.
Go! Reveal! Letter U. Ding, 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 ding. Oy, kasi. 3, go!
Ay! Hairspray! Ay!
Salon pass.
Salon pass! Kaya ka namin ng chance na pumili pa.
Four. Ready?
Ready?
Get set! Reveal! Go!
Go!
Galing! Nanalo si
diba?
Is it your birthday, girl? 'Cause you looking like a present. Is it your birthday, girl? Let's celebrate it.
Perfect.
Right down to the wire. Now I'm not ready to kiss the dream goodbye.
Everybody now, come on! To the fire!
Hear me through the fire.
I take it all away.
So ito na at isa pa sa mga surprise kay Sir Manuel. This is Mike Gekto
Ako po yung delivery boy.
/ X-Men niya.
Ito na talaga yung special guest.
Delivery po.
Ito talaga.
Delivery lang po.
Good afternoon po, delivery lang po.
Ay, parang paka naman. Sino na nandun? May katago. Kinakabahan si Sir M. Actually, walang kwenta. Si Gekto lang pala.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused.
Ka na po.
When
Pero
you
parang hindi pa siya nag-maintenance. Wala siyang maintenance, guys.
Ibas ba?
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing.
Hindi naman ako matok. Hindi, syempre, thank you sa lahat. Yung mga umattend. Yan. Sa Brainbeam family, thank you. Hindi ako matok. I need cash. Actually, ayoko ng surprise. Di ba? Kahit hindi ako nag-ayos, oh. Oo. Alam ko marami mag-yellow tsaka orange kaya nag-draw ko eh. Thank you. Basta yun lang. Thank you lang. Hindi talaga ako matok eh. Hindi ako maganito. Yeah.
Pero deep inside ni Sir M, alam niya.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng bumate. Sa lahat ng thank you so much. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Love you.
Yes!
So ano masasabi mo sa surprise namin?
Thank you. Sobrang
Na-shock ka
nagulat
ba?
ako. Shock.
Fake yung shock.
Mas na-shock ako kaysa dun sa Dragon Dance. Thank you so much.
pero-
Basta sobrang akong surprise. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Pero sana alam mo na kami in-effort ng todo.
Yes, super.
Tinalo mo lahat ng events natin sa
Feeling ko
first
habang nasa Hong Kong ako ginagawa niyo to. Thank you.
Thank you for
Salamat.
joining us in this very special celebration.
Sa lahat na nag-greet ng clients,
Oo nga,
sobrang
dami.
thank you talaga. Hindi ko
Ayan.
na-expect yun.
Maraming
Thank
salamat for joining us and see you again in our next vlog.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Manuel 60!